Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, all of you. Welcome to All Take What Make a Sentence website once again. Who is what I can take today? Yes, I can. Who is what I can take today? Yes. Remember, I was walking beside the road. Suddenly, I saw my brother. He is doing a duty here, and he inspiring me perfectly, deeply. And how I will explain? I can't explain properly because I'm learning English. But my brother Pavel Ahmed, he inspiring me deeply. I'm really appreciated, and that's why I told my brother I want to broke my dream, and always I will try to my reach destination. And my brother, he always inspire me, and it's a very good opportunity for me. And my dear beloved brothers and sisters, I know everybody inspiring me every day. That's why I'm really excited. At honorable teacher, respectful brothers and sisters who are there studying varsity, or most of the brothers and sisters inspiring me every day. It's a very good luck for me. And I always remember everyone, and not only always, I will remember everyone rest of my life. Rest of my life.
Good luck for you. Yeah, good luck for you.
Okay, my dear brother.
Yeah.
And everybody, if somebody want to speak English, and who are they want to speak English, I'm not teaching, I'm learning. Because my brother gave me a lot of inspiration. That's why I'm speaking so fast. It's not enough for me. One day I will be so fast. It's my dream. When I will be able to like news or uh, abroad person, that will be my great success. And I have to be success at any cost.
Inshallah.
And my brother said, Inshallah, your Inshallah will reach my destination. Do you know, brother? I'm saying again, your Inshallah will reach. I will be reach my destination one day, Inshallah. Because
Good
Inshallah,
luck for you.
Alhamdulillah. Because Inshallah is a very powerful prayer. That's why I'm saying again, your Inshallah will make me strong. I believe, and Almighty must help me because I'm trying. I'm not only trying. Already I started with confidently because I believe if I try every day, one day I will be a good speaker. And not only that, I wanna be highlight inshallah
Inshallah.
day by day. Not it's not possible suddenly, but I have to spend time. I have to speak regularly, and I have to be attentive more.
ঠিক আছে, আপনারা সবাই আমার বড় ভাই সবাই পাশে থাকবেন, লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার দিবেন। ইনশাআল্লাহ বড় ভাই একদিন সফল হবে। সবাইকে
Alhamdulillah.
ধন্যবাদ।
I'm really satisfied, and not only that, I'm really embracing. I'm really excited. My brother already pray for me, and not only that, he said everybody will pray for me. It's a very good opportunity for me and pray for me. And I have to finish here. And please don't forget to your mosquito net before sleep, because I was forgot to hang my mosquito net last night. That's why mosquito bit at me.
Like and share.
Bit at me, and that's why I am telling again. Please don't forget to your mosquito net before you sleep. Best wishes for everyone. If Almighty wants you, so next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
Like and share.